Hello students, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing well. Dear students, kindly take out Standard 5 Literature, Chapter 4. Miss Leopard goes to the city. Dear students, Miss Leopard goes to the city was written in 2014. In this poem, a world is created where an animal acts like a human being. A leopard is put in a city like scenario, dressed as a human being to see how humans would react. It was written keeping in mind how some sections of the society are not accepted. This poem touches up numerous themes: how an animal is always seen as wild and uncontrollable, how human beings fail to understand each other's emotions, and other connected themes. Students, kindly turn the page. Miss Leopard thought on a Sunday it should be a fun day. So she put on her favorite dress, in which she looked her best, and applied mascara to her green eyes to complete her disguise. Finally, she took her hat off the hook and hands happy with her look. She made her way to the city feeling jovial and pretty. Jovial means cheerful and friendly. When she reached the city market, she bought a Mother Mary locket. After that, she got lily flowers, which she thought looked just like stars. Tired, she decided to have a cup of coffee, so looked she took a seat at a nearby eatery. Eatery means restaurant. From under her pretty lady's hat, Miss Leopard saw the people chat. But one of the women turned pale when she saw a leopard's tail. Pale means to turn yellow in shock. Under the hem of Miss Leopard's dress, holy God, what a mess! She cried, rising from her chair. Ladies and gentlemen, look there. That woman with a beautiful green stare has a tail and pair of whiskers too. Surely she must be from a Jew. Miss Leopard began to worry. She stood up in a hurry. When her hat fell on the floor, now screams and shouts did soar. High up in the air, there's a leopard here, there's a leopard here. Miss Leopard wheeled round and scurried out of the shop without making a sound. Scurried means to run quickly. But on the road there was much hue and cry, and every person, low or high, hue and cry means public protest, was running helter-skelters looking for shelter. Helter-skelters means in a hurry. Miss Leopard was much afraid when a cop blocked her way and said, "How dare you come to the city, you bad, bad kitty?" In a jiffy, he hit her with his rod. Jiffy means a very short time. Miss Leopard cried, "Oh, you incorrigible sod!" She opened her claws ready to strike, and the nasty cop ran for his life. Incorrigible short means a person having bad habits which cannot be changed, and nasty means very bad. Students, turn the page. Then officials from the forest department came and took position on a pavement. Miss Leopard tried to explain in a language that was very plain. She was not there to kill anyone, she just wanted to have some fun. But they fired a shot of tranquilizer. Now poor Miss Leopard roared like a tiger. Tranquilizer means here sleeping injection. And dropped unconscious where she was, though she could never understand the cause. Miss Leopard was put in a cage to save the citizens from her rage. Unconscious means senseless. When Miss Leopard opened her eyes, she wondered why she didn't pay heed to the advice. Written above the door of the eatery, a lot can happen over coffee. Okay, students, you read this chapter 2 times. Thank you.